Hi guys, it's me, Sharon. I'm watching Daily Bumps, and my cousin Abigail was coming over. They're from home. I just opened that. And that's on Big Mix. And yeah, that's Abby's drink. And we're actually pranking it. We put some salt in. A lot. Yeah, not that much. Because we had salty popcorn from the shop, and basically we put half of the salt into a drink. Yeah, and we put some salt in, but we did mix it, and it's not too salty. It's just got a little bit in, and when she tastes it, I added extra juice because before it was way too salty. Yeah. Orange juice, quite sweet. From trick-or-treating. Well, Abby's drink is just so disgusting. Let me find the one that we wanted you to have. Yeah, no. And Dana just ate all the popcorn. Yeah, it was delicious. And here's the egg. I'm watching Daily Bumps if I've already said that. You have. And today it actually is Bonfire night, and it is Beast Girl 2007's birthday. Is it? Yeah. Oh. And yeah. Sorry if it was a short video, I was just telling you about some stuff. Bye guys.